Hello children, welcome to that Narayana Live classes and welcome to that social amazing assignment. So from class 5, refer page number Sadhana workbook, page number 64 and 65. Let us start. Yes, come with me. So first Roman, what is that first Roman? Fill in the blanks. So what is the first one? Dash flies cause sleeping sickness. So what is it? Yes. Tsetse fly. What is the answer? Tsetse fly. Tsetse is silent. Tsetse flies cause sleeping sickness. The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in minerals. What is that minerals? Minerals. Minerals. Next third one. River Dash is the deepest river in the world. So what is the deepest river? Yes, Congo. Yes, Congo river. Yes, Dash are the primitive people of the Congo. What is that? Pygmies. 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 Dash is the most important language of the tribal people. Bantu. Bantu is the language. So once I'm repeat. So tsetse fly causes sleeping sickness. So we get sleeping sickness with the tsetse fly. It is a dangerous insect. The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in minerals. So many minerals are there. So that's why it is rich in minerals. River Congo is the deepest river in the world. So River Congo is the deepest river. Pygmies are the primitive people of the Congo. Pygmies. Pygmies. Bantu is the most important language of the tribal people. Bantu. Bantu is the tribal language. Okay, let us see that second Roman. Yes. Okay, let us start that second Roman. Complete the sentences. So what is the second Roman? Complete the sentences. Yes, first one. As the region receives rainfall throughout the year, there is a large variety of trees. So what is there? Trees. Nice. These forests remain. So in this DRC, which forest we see? Green throughout the year. These forests remain. Green throughout the year. Next, the tall trees form an umbrella-like layer called dash, which makes the forest damp and dark. So what is that? Canopy of leaves. What is that leaves? Canopy. Yes. What is that? Canopy of leaves. Next, fourth one. These forests are popularly known as evergreen forests. So, once I'm repeat, as the region receives rainfall throughout the year, there is a large variety of trees. Second one, these forests remain green throughout the year. So, till throughout the year, it is in green color. The tall trees form an umbrella-like layer called canopy, which makes the forest damp and dark. So, they have the tall and it is covered thick. Umbrella-like, it is covered up thickly. That is only called canopy. Fourth one, these forests are popularly known as evergreen forest. Why? It is green throughout the year. So that's why only it is called as evergreen forest. Let us start the third Roman. What is the third Roman? Write T for true and F for false for the given statement. So true or false. Okay. See, first one. Bantu leads a nomadic life. So what is that nomadic life? Nomadic life means they are moving from one place to another place. So Bantu leads a nomadic life. What is that nomadic life? Yes, they are moving from one place to another place. So it is a false. Next, 242 languages are spoken in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So it is a true. What is the 242 languages? So in that only we see the 242 languages spoken in Democratic Republic of Congo. True. The climate of DRC is hot and wet. Yes, it is very hot and wet. Which type of climate is there in DRC? Yes, it is very hot and wet. Why? It is in equatorial region. So it is also true. Next. Rubber, cocoa and oil palms are food crops. So actually it is not food crops. So it is cash crops. So it is false. What is that? It is false. Next, DRC is located in temperate zone. So it is torrid zone, tropical zone, torrid or tropical zone. Why? It is very hot. Yes, once I repeat that. So Bantu leads a nomadic life. What is it? It is false statement. So 242 languages are spoken in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Is it true? Yes, it is a true. The climate of DRC is hot and wet. Yes, what is the climate? It's hot and wet. So it is also true. Rubber, cocoa and oil palms are food crops. So it is false. Why it is not food crops? No, it is cash crops. DRC is located in the temperate zone. So where is DRC? DRC is in equatorial region or tropical zone, not temperate zone. So it is also false. Okay, do you understood? Yes. So revise it in the home. Yes, thank you children. Thank you very much.